Hey everyone, have you seen those talking photo videos trending everywhere? From memes to singing selfies, they're blowing up on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts, and now you can make them too.
You only want me when you need me. Hey, you call me crying and I'll be there.
Thanks to CapCut's brand new tool called AI Dialogue Scene. This tool is next level. With just one photo, CapCut lets you create a full-blown video where your character can talk, sing, or react with realistic lip sync, head movement, and emotion automatically. Here's what makes it stand out. It's AI-powered and photo-based, no video clips required. You can create solo or multi-character scenes assigning different voices or lines to each person in the image. Let me walk you through the full process. You can follow along and make your own versions in minutes. Open CapCut and in the Media panel, go to AI Media, then AI Dialogue Scene. Click the big plus icon to upload your image. It works best with clear portrait photos. Make sure the face is front-facing and well lit. Once uploaded, CapCut automatically detects the characters in the image. Now it's time to tell your story. You've got a few choices here. It supports tons of audio input types. Type your own dialogue, extract audio from a video, upload your own audio clip. You can type your own custom script or upload your own audio like from 11 Labs or a voice note. Plus, it supports over 100 plus AI voice styles including meme voices.
When the night feels cold and lonely, and the stars are shining slowly,
every light points back to you.
Here's where it gets fun. Explore over 100 AI voices. You can filter by gender, style, character like storyteller, energetic, empathetic, meme song, etc. Or even by language. Play through a few voices to find the perfect fit.
When the night feels cold and lonely.
when the night feels cold and lonely,
When you're happy with your setup, click Generate. It'll take a few minutes depending on length. Then, your AI-powered talking photo will appear right in the timeline.
When the night feels cold and lonely, and the stars are shining slowly, every light points back to you.
Complete with facial expressions, synced lips, and motion. How cool is that? Once you're happy with it, simply click the export button. You can choose your preferred resolution, hit export, and within a few seconds, your video will be ready.
When the night feels cold and lonely, and the stars are shining slowly, every light points back to you.
CapCut will even automatically format it to TikTok size, so it's perfect for sharing instantly. You can also preview it before saving. Super handy, right? Now let's check out another awesome option called React. With React, you can upload a photo just like before, choose the duration, 4, 8 or 12 seconds, and then add your own script or dialogue for the reaction. But this time I'm going to do something different. No dialogue, just music. So I'll upload a photo, then upload an audio music file. You can play it back, crop it to the perfect section. And once you're ready, simply click Generate. In just a few moments, CapCut will create a video where your character perfectly lip syncs to the song.
I walk down the street like I own the night. Every step I walk down the street like I own the night. Every step I
The expressions, head movements, and timing are spot on. It looks like they're actually singing. Once it's done, you can export the video and save it directly to your computer, ready to share anywhere you like. This tool is perfect for making short-form comedy or meme videos, bringing fictional characters to life with voiceovers, creating fun podcast clips using photos, POV storytelling scenes, revoicing old family photos for laughs, or just making your dog talk about world domination. Whether you're a content creator, meme lover, or just here for fun, CapCut's AI Dialogue Scene gives you pro-level results in minutes. The link to download CapCut is available in the description below, so check it out and start creating your own talking and singing photo videos today. If this helped you, give it a like, drop your funniest AI script idea in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI-powered creative tools every week. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you create.